I'm pleased to introduce you to the automated solderability test. This is an advanced technology to ensure and determine processability of components in the soldering process. Especially with older components, there is often a challenge in determining the solderability objectively and quantitatively. The high-precision, fully automatic solderability test system makes it possible to determine and document the exact wetting force of each individual component pin. Let's take a closer look at this process. First, the middle pins of the components are removed manually. And then it gets hot. The pins are then immersed in the soldering bath up to a defined depth. The recorded force time curves show whether the component has passed the solderability test. The component is then removed and the pins are examined optically under the light microscope. And of course, everything is recorded in a test report. Tip 1. Quality control you can rely on.